Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf bag. First, identify the specific damage to your bag, such as a broken zipper, torn strap, or ripped pocket. Gather your repair materials, which might include heavy-duty thread, a sewing needle, fabric glue, or replacement hardware. A quick assessment helps you choose the right approach for a lasting repair, ensuring your bag is ready for the course. For a stubborn zipper, try lubricating the teeth with a graphite pencil or a specialized zipper lubricant. If the pull is broken, a simple paperclip or keyring can serve as a temporary fix. For torn pockets, a fabric patch applied with strong adhesive works wonders for small holes. For bigger rips, carefully hand sew the edges together using a heavy-duty needle and thread for a secure repair. When a strap starts to fray, reinforce it with a durable fabric patch or by stitching over the worn area multiple times. If a strap has completely detached, you'll need to re-sew it using a heavy-duty needle and strong waxed thread, ensuring multiple passes for strength. For handles, check for loose screws or rivets and tighten or replace them as needed to restore stability and carrying comfort. To fix torn internal dividers, use a strong fabric adhesive or sew a patch over the damaged area to prevent clubs from tangling. Regular cleaning with a damp cloth and mild soap helps maintain the bag's material and appearance. Always store your golf bag in a dry, well-ventilated area, away from extreme temperatures, to prevent material degradation and ensure it lasts for many rounds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.